All right, everybody. So I decided to test it out, and yes, the Boost Mobile Samsung Galaxy A53, without the need to have Boost Mobile unlock it, it will work with Boost Infinite. So I guess the chat representative I spoke with gave that blanket statement. Not that he was trying to deceive anybody, but I just think that the policy says that any Boost Mobile prepaid device has to be unlocked to work on Boost Infinite, but that's not the case. As you can see here, says AT&T on the top. We do see that it dropped back to regular 5G. It was on 5G Plus just a while ago. We're getting band 12, band 66, band 2, band 66, band 30. It's fluctuating here. Yeah, so and I'll run a speed test for you guys really quickly. You see Boost Mobile MVNO2. And the 5G Plus signal just kicked on for the speed test. And this is what I usually average, for N77 connection. I am shocked. It actually worked. So this is just basically letting people know that I guess there's some Boost Mobile phones that you could just pop the Boost Infinite SIM inside of it and it'll just start working. So the speed test, 186 by 14.6. And just make sure there's no private information here, but to show you guys that it is. Yep. Using that Exynos processor. And yeah, there you have it. Samsung Galaxy A53. It's running on Boost Infinite.